Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make fish curry. This is a very authentic recipe and you can follow this recipe for any variety of fish. Very easy and very delicious recipe. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. Heat a mud pot and to this add 2 tablespoons of oil. When the oil is nice and hot, add 1/4 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1/4 teaspoon of fenugreek, 1/4 teaspoon of fennel seeds, few curry leaves, 5 crushed garlic pods, half cup of chopped shallots, 2 green chilies and half teaspoon of salt. Saute well for a minute until the shallots are nicely done. Now the shallots are nicely done, so go ahead and add 2 ripe tomatoes finely chopped. Saute well until the tomato turns mushy. Now the tomatoes are nicely done, so go ahead and add half teaspoon of turmeric powder, a tablespoon of chili powder, 2 tablespoons of coriander powder, half teaspoon of cumin powder and half teaspoon of salt. Mix it well until the raw flavor of the spices goes off. Now you can see the oil has separated. So add half cup of tamarind juice, 3 cups of water and 2 pieces of fish tamarind. This is also called kudampuli or Malabar tamarind. Mix it well and allow it to come to a boil. Now it's nicely boiling, so close with the lid and let this cook for 10 minutes. It's been 10 minutes now, so let's open and check. The curry is nicely done and ready, so go ahead and add 1 kg of fish pieces. Today I am using woolly Meen. Then add half cup of mango pieces. This is optional. Slightly shake and mix it. Make sure not to use a spoon in this stage as it might break the fish pieces. Let this cook for 10 minutes in medium flame. After 10 minutes, the fish pieces are nicely done, so off the flame and sprinkle some curry leaves. Now a delicious fish curry is ready. Serve it nice and hot with a bowl of steamed rice and enjoy with your family and friends. Very easy and delicious recipe, so do try this fish curry at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.